In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Roblox stuck on loading screen on your PS4 or PS5. So you can see I have Roblox right here. So firstly, what we need to do is to just come to Roblox right here, and then you need to click on this button if you have this one on your controller, and then click on check for update. So sometimes you will have a new update here as I do, so just click on go to downloads here, and you can see it's currently now being updated. So if you do have an update, make sure to get it. One more thing to do is to go into settings here on your PS5 and then go into network here, then click on settings and set up internet connection. So once again on your Wi-Fi here, you need to click on this button and you need to be on your you need to be on your Wi-Fi here basically, if that makes sense. And then in here click on advanced settings and then click on DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual, and then on primary DNS make it 1.1.1.1 and on secondary DNS 1.0.0.1, and then click on OK in the bottom right corner here. There is one more thing that we can do, by the way, as well to try to fix this problem. We can go back to settings here again actually and click on users and accounts here. Then click on other and click on restore licenses. Select Roblox and click on restore in the bottom right corner. I'm just going to close this game right here. And now it's going to take you a couple of seconds to restore the license for Roblox here. So do all of these things and then go back to Roblox, and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.